If you're a busy person but still love keeping plants around you, this video is for you. Because in today's video you will see many plants that you don't have to water on regular basis, less care and less watering. So let's see what are the plants that you don't have to water on regular basis and very easy to grow and multiply. Snake plants. When it comes to less care, less watering, snake plants comes first. These plants are air purifier plants, very easy to grow and multiply by dividing. Even with a leaf cutting, you can grow them. So these plants are very easy to take care of because you don't have to water them on regular basis. No need of too much fertilizer also. So this is the first plant that I show. As a beginner or as a lazy gardener, you can grow them very easily. Jade plant. Jade plant also you don't have to water on regular basis. You'll have to expose them to sun, and if you don't have time to do fertilizing, this is another plant. Because once a month if you add fertilizer, that will be enough. So for a lazy gardener or a person who's busy, this is another plant you must bring home from a nursery. This is one of the huge plants. Look at the bird nest plant. I hardly give any fertilizer, but it's growing so well and huge. I have two of them in my garden in a corner. And I have not used any fertilizer for these. These are in a shady corner, and you don't have to water them on regular basis. ZZ plant. This is another plant you must have in your garden. If you are lazy or if you have no time to care for them, ZZ plant is another plant for you. This plant also doesn't need daily watering, and this plant can go up to about 7 days without getting watered, especially if you keep it in a shady corner. These plants needs the shade to grow, and they don't need any fertilizer as well. Pandanus plants. This is another plant for a lazy gardener. No care needed and no watering needed on daily basis, and also friends, no fertilizer also needed. Another beautiful variegated leafy plant, very attractive and very easy to grow. Aloe Vera. Another plant that you can grow without any hassle, because this plant also grows very well in your garden in the semi shade, not in the bright direct light, because then the plant leaves get thinner. This plant also, friend, a medicinal plant, a herbal plant. That is why you must have it, because you can use them as a root hormone. And this plant also you don't need to water on regular basis. If you can provide the cactus soil for this, that is also really good. So this is another plant for a lazy gardener. Money pothos plant, once you keep indoors as an indoor plant, you don't need to water them on regular basis. You can skip watering for a week. So they can go up to maximum of 1 week. And these plants looks very healthy and green and lush. So this is another house plant which can go without watering up to a week. Lucky bamboo plant also the same. Once you keep them indoors as an indoor plant, these plants doesn't need daily watering. So it can go up to maximum of 4 to 5 days without watering. And they are low maintenance and permanent plants too.